looking at problem 4. It says systems with infinitely many solutions or no solutions. It says how many solutions does each system have? So the first one we have is x equals negative 2y plus 4 and 3.5x plus 7y equals 14. So the first thing that they did was substitute negative 2y plus 4 in for x because x equals negative 2y plus 4. So they took this amount and plugged it in for this for this x here. And so they plugged it in here and they multiplied or to use the associative property. And after they solved everything, they got 14 equals to 14. Well, 14 equals to 14 is a true statement. We know 14 does in fact equal 14. So that means that this system has infinitely many solutions. Okay, let's take a look at B. We have y equals 3x minus 11 and y minus 3x equals negative 13. So again, using substitution, we can take this value here and plug it in for our y. And so that's what they did here, where we have y, they plugged in 3x minus 11. And then they solved and they got negative 11 equals negative 13. Well, negative 11 does not equal negative 13. So this solution system has no solutions. Let's look at the guided number 4. I've written it here on my whiteboard and I need to solve it, so I can either use elimination or substitution. So I'm going to use elimination and I'm going to multiply my bottom by 2 or negative 2 so that I have a negative 6 and a positive 6. And I'm going to flip it around. So, well, no, I'm not going to flip it around. I'll do that later. So I get negative 5x because negative 2 times 2.5, negative 6y, and that's equal to negative 8. Then I'm going to take the first equation and I'm going to just move it around. So I'm going to move the 5x to the front, so that's 5x, move the 6y, leave it just like it is, and it's equal to 8. And now I'm going to add it like I normally would. And so my 5x cancels out, my y cancels out, and my 8 cancels out. So I'm left with 0 equals to 0. Well, 0 equals to 0 is a true statement. 0 does equal 0. So it has infinitely many solutions. I hope that this helps.